Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to mix our medium brown henna. So as you can see, I already have some poured out in this bowl, and I have some coffee. Some people mix with water, some people mix with coffee, but coffee helps to deepen and enrich the color a little bit, so that's why we're going to be using coffee today. So let's start mixing. You'll want to add the coffee gradually. You don't want to make the mixture too runny or else it'll just fall off your hair and not color it. You don't want it too thick or else it won't apply evenly. So we're going to need a little bit more coffee than that. There we go. What some people do, some people add a couple drops of their favorite essential oil. We recommend using our lavender essential oil just to make the henna mixture smell a little bit better. It does have a natural smell that some people don't really care for, but it's a lot better than harsh chemical dyes. Alright, starting to get there. Just a little bit more coffee. You just want to make sure you get all the lumps out. You don't want a lumpy mixture, otherwise it won't color your hair as well. Almost there. And you want to keep stirring it until it reaches a cake batter consistency. While you're mixing, it's important to note to not use any metallic bowls or spoons. Probably should have mentioned that earlier, but since you're not currently mixing henna right now, I'm assuming, just don't use any metallic bowls. Almost there. Almost got all the lumps out. I just need a little bit more coffee. Alright, so we are back now that we're done mixing. As you can see, we are at that perfect consistency, not too thin, not too thick. Kind of plops out, but that's fine. So once you're done mixing, you're going to let it sit out for 45 minutes for the henna to activate, and this is what it should look like once it's all activated. As you can see, the color is a lot darker. And then when you stir it, you can still see the light green underneath. That means you know it's activated and it's ready to apply. So when you apply, you're going to apply this to your hair, and you're going to leave it on for 2 to 3 hours. And you're going to cover your hair in either Saran Wrap or a shower cap, and a towel, preferably, to keep the heat in to help the henna color your hair a little bit better. And then after the 2 to 3 hours, you're going to rinse your hair with cool water and enjoy your brand new hair color.